guys, welcome back to another video because today I make the pizza again. Last time I already made pizza before, but today I have a new type of dough and a new type of sauce, which is we have Thousand Island sauce and the thick dough. Look at this thick boy. Pick this up. Okay, let's put the cheese. Oh wait, no, we need to put the sausage first. Oh wait, I forgot. We have to open the oven. We have to light it a little bit first. Guys, and by the way, we're almost at 100 subscribers. About like 16 more. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I want to reach 100 subscribers. Guys, by the way, you can put as much sauce as you want. Like, if you want less, if you want more, you can put more. If you want less, you can put less. Whatever. It's all up to you how much sauce you want. Okay, done putting the sausage. Time to put the cheese. Guys, this is cheddar cheese and this is mozzarella. You can use any you want, or maybe you can use both. The mozzarella, I don't know what cheddar does, but the mozzarella will make the cheese stretchy. Alright, let's speed run this. This is a double cheese pizza because there's two types of cheese. Okay, and if you have Parmesan cheese, you can put it if you want because it'll make it smell good. It'll make it like very cheesy and salty. We have to put the pizza in the oven. Let me go wash my hands. The pizza is ready. Time to put it in the oven. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Okay, guys, be careful when you're doing this because it's hot. Hot pizza. Hot potato. Oh, okay, let's close the oven. Okay, now we'll wait about like 6 to 7 minutes or something. I don't know how long we need it. It's ready. It took about like 7 to 8 minutes. Let's get it out of the oven before it burns. Let my mom help me because it's too hot for me. I can't do it. It's too hot. Isn't that a nice chunky piece of pizza? Get this out of the way. Isn't that nice? But my mom's gonna cut the pizza. Get the cheese. Oh, stretchy cheese. That's cool. I'm gonna show you and eat it. I'm gonna use a knife and a fork because it's too hot. Normally I use hand because it's so delicious. Oh. That's so good. Good. It's so good. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go share some with my grandma. Oh wait, don't forget. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. And also please check out my gaming channel. It's on Displays Minecraft. Link will be in the description. See ya. Bye. I'm gonna go eat the pizza with my grandma. My parents don't eat it because they are plant-based.